In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently create, manage, and convert quotes using the system you're working with. First, we begin by navigating to the Sales menu, specifically the Quotes section. This is your main workspace when it comes to handling quotes. At the top of the page, you'll see the New Quote button. Give that a click to get started on creating a fresh quote. In this new window, you'll need to fill in a variety of essential details. Start by adding the contact information. If your contact is already in the system, a search should suffice. However, if it's a new contact, you can easily add them directly from this screen. Next, enter the date of the quote, and also be sure to specify the expiry date, allowing your customer to know how long they have to respond. Moving on to the description sections, ensure you provide clear and detailed information for each item within the quote. This doesn't just serve to inform, but also adds a professional touch to the document. Once you're confident everything is in place, you have two options. You can either save this quote as a draft, preserving it for future edits, or send it directly to your customer via email, which can save you time if everything looks good to go. Remember that both options are valid paths depending on the situation and your workflow preferences. Now, let's talk about managing your quotes. To oversee all of them, simply return to the Sales menu and click on Quotes once more. Here, you'll find a comprehensive list of all quotes, which can be filtered by their current status: draft, sent, accepted, declined, or invoiced. This feature helps keep everything organized and allows you to act swiftly according to the quote's statuses. A key highlight of the process is when a quote finds positive reception and is accepted by a customer. Once accepted, you'll notice that its status updates accordingly to reflect this stage. Incredibly convenient, isn't it? From this point, you can go to the Accepted tab, find the specific quote, and open it. With a simple click on the Create Invoice button, you initiate the next step. The invoice is pre-populated with all the information from that quote, so there's no need to re-enter any details. The last action point is reviewing the invoice to ensure everything is accurate. Once you've gone over everything, you have the choice to approve, or even approve and send the invoice directly to your customer. Taking care of these final steps promptly ensures your customers receive the invoicing details they need to proceed with payment. With those steps, you now have a seamless path from creating a quote to managing it, all the way to converting it into an invoice. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your future quoting endeavors.